Well, hello, hello. So I had some errors in uploading our first assignment for yearbook, so hopefully those will be up later today. But before we get to that, I wanted to say congratulations to a few of our students here. Last year's book, the one with the white cover stand, was awarded a pretty big award. So you know how we have those lookbooks in our classroom that I gave you for the first couple weeks of school to look through and to pull out designs and to pull out that cool stuff. Well, really awesome. We actually got chosen for that book this year. So our last year's book, our 2019 2020 book, or 2018 2019 book was chosen. So if you're a returner, congratulations. I wanted to show you what that looks like here. Um, we're going to be getting the cover for the lookbook, which I think is going to be really cool. It's called One and All. It's going to be coming into our classroom at some point, and so we have our little thing here, which I think is really cool. We're on page 206 with our cover and our information about what we've done for our book. So people are going to be able to pull out some pages from what we've worked on to get there. Now, these were all from high school and middle school staffs, so this is really cool. We were chosen in the top 400, 70 some books in the whole nation. So that's huge, 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 huge. So really, congratulations here. This is a big deal. You guys did a really, really good job on last year's book, and I'm really excited to see this year's book